Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Minecraft game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the Steam store page. From here, just click on the search box and then type in Minecraft and start your search. Once you find the Minecraft game, go ahead and click on it and you will now be taken into the game's detail page. You can look at the details about the game and scroll down to find the Add to Cart button. Once you click on the Add to Cart button for the version that you want to download or buy, click on the View My Cart button to proceed for the payment. Once you click on Continue to Payment, you will be asked to choose your payment method. You can choose from PayPal or your credit and debit cards, and then proceed forward with your credentials. After entering your payment credentials and proceeding forward, your payment information will be verified, and once the amount has been deducted from your account, the game will be added within your library. From here, you can install the game with a single click, and now the game will be available to play on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Minecraft game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.